Ever wondered where your next dream vacation could be? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey around the globe to uncover some of the most breathtaking destinations that our world has to offer. Imagine a place where every corner holds a new adventure, where each destination is a story waiting to be told, and each culture is a melody waiting to be heard. Our planet is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, and awe-inspiring attractions. From the cobblestone streets of Europe to the lush rainforests of South America, from the majestic mountains of Asia to the pristine beaches of Oceania, there are countless beautiful destinations waiting for you to explore. In this video, we will to a variety of these destinations, each with its unique charm and allure. We'll delve into their rich cultures, explore their unique features, and reveal what makes them truly special. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be enthralled by the beauty and diversity of our planet. And before we set off on this exciting adventure, don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts about beautiful destinations around the world. Imagine being in a city that is a mesmerizing blend of the past and the future. Welcome to Kyoto, Japan, a city that has gracefully preserved its rich history whilst embracing the dawn of a new era. In Kyoto, ancient temples, shrines, and traditional tea houses coexist with futuristic technology, creating a stunning juxtaposition that is truly a sight to behold. Here, the past is not just remembered, it lives and breathes, seamlessly woven into the fabric of everyday life. Take the ancient temples, for instance, scattered across the city. They stand as a testament to Kyoto's spiritual heritage. From the majestic Kinkakuji, also known as the Golden Pavilion, shimmering in the middle of a tranquil pond, to the grandeur of the Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its seemingly endless path of vermilion torii gates. These sacred sites offer a glimpse into a timeless world of tradition and spirituality. Then there are the traditional tea houses. Tucked away in the narrow, winding streets of the Jeon district, these establishments offer a unique opportunity to experience the ancient art of the Japanese tea ceremony. The ritual, characterized by its precision and tranquility, is a reflection of the values that lie at the heart of Japanese culture: respect, harmony, and tranquility. But Kyoto is not just about the past. The city is a thriving hub of innovation and technology. From state-of-the-art bullet trains to cutting-edge robotics, Kyoto is a city that looks to the future with optimism and excitement. One of the city's most enchanting attractions is the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. A walk through this serene forest feels like stepping into another world. The towering bamboo stalks sway gently in the wind, creating a soothing melody that is as enchanting as it is calming. In Kyoto, tradition and innovation are not opposing forces, but rather two sides of the same coin. They coexist, complementing and enhancing each other, creating a city that is both deeply rooted in its past and looking forward to its future. Kyoto, a city where you can experience the charm of old Japan and the thrill of its future. Now, picture yourself in a place that seems to be painted with a palette of blue and white. Feel the gentle sea breeze as you step into an island that's as close to a dream as reality gets. Santorini, Greece. Imagine walking through narrow, winding streets, flanked by pristine white houses with blue doors and shutters. There's a unique architectural harmony that Santorini is renowned for, and it's a sight that's as soothing as it is beautiful. But it's not just the houses. Look up and you'll see the iconic blue-domed churches dotting the skyline, their striking hues complementing the vast blue of the Aegean Sea. Speaking of the sea, let's not forget the sunsets. Santorini's sunsets are legendary, a spectacle of nature that leaves you breathless with its vibrant colors melting into the horizon. There's something magical about watching the sun go down over the water, painting the sky in hues of orange, pink, and purple. But the beauty of Santorini is not just in its landscapes. It's in the warmth of the locals, welcoming you with a smile as bright as the Greek sun. It's in the delicious Mediterranean cuisine, with fresh seafood, ripe tomatoes, and the world-famous feta cheese. It's in the vibrant nightlife, where the rhythm of Greek music makes you want to dance the night away. Santorini is also a treasure trove of attractions. The caldera, a testament to the island's volcanic past, offers a unique panorama that's a feast for the eyes. The ancient city of Akrotiri, buried and preserved under volcanic ash, transports you back in time. And then there are the beaches. Stunning stretches of sand and pebbles in shades of red, black and white, unique to Santorini. Santorini, a paradise where every moment is picture perfect. This is more than a travel destination. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the moment, where every snapshot is a postcard and every memory is a treasure. Come, explore Santorini and let it inspire your wanderlust. Or perhaps you'd prefer to be in a place where nature's grandeur leaves you breathless. Welcome to Banff, Canada, a spot where the towering mountains meet the sky and the turquoise lakes mirror their majesty. It's a place where nature puts on a show, leaving every visitor in awe of its splendor. Here, the air is crisp, the views are astounding, and the wildlife is abundant. From the graceful elk to the majestic grizzly bears, Banff is a sanctuary for a diverse range of wildlife. But it isn't just the natural beauty that makes Banff special, it's also the culture. In Banff, there's a profound love for the great outdoors. Whether it's hiking, skiing, or simply taking in the scenery, the people here have a deep appreciation for nature. They are also incredibly friendly, always ready to share a story or recommend a hidden gem. And then there's the food. Canadian cuisine is a delightful mix of hearty and fresh. Here you can enjoy everything from succulent Alberta beef to sweet, locally sourced maple syrup. Each dish is a testament to Canada's rich culinary heritage. Of course, no trip to Banff would be complete without visiting its iconic attractions. There's Lake Louise, a turquoise paradise surrounded by towering peaks and ancient glaciers. It's a sight to behold, especially from a canoe gently gliding across the water's surface. Next, the Banff Gondola offers a breathtaking journey to the summit of Sulphur Mountain. From the top, you'll be treated to panoramic views of the Bow Valley that will leave you speechless. And finally, the Icefields Parkway, a scenic drive that takes you through some of the most stunning landscapes in the Canadian Rockies. It's a journey that promises awe-inspiring vistas at every turn. Banff, Canada isn't just a destination, it's an experience. It's a place that captures your heart and stirs your soul. A place where every moment is a memory waiting to be made. Banff, a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers. So, have you decided where your next dream vacation will be? We've journeyed together from the serene temples and cherry blossom-laden paths of Kyoto, Japan, immersing ourselves in a culture steeped in tradition and tranquility. We've basked in the glow of the sun setting over the iconic blue-domed churches of Santorini, Greece, where every corner turned reveals an awe-inspiring view that captures the heart and soul. And we've breathed in the crisp, fresh air of Banff, Canada, surrounded by the majesty of the Rocky Mountains, its turquoise lakes and abundant wildlife. Each destination, unique in its allure, offers a world of experiences waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a lover of history, a seeker of breathtaking landscapes, or an adventurer at heart, these places have something to offer you. So, what are you waiting for? Remember, the world is full of beautiful places waiting for you, so go out there and explore.